Thank you for choosing Robot-Coupe. This is a training video explaining the essential steps for the cleaning and maintenance of your food processor. This video is suitable for R502, R502 VV, R702 and R702 VV. Cleaning. Dismantle all parts. Clean the blade with the cleaning tool. 1 part to remove the blade cap. 2, 1 part to clean inside the hub. 3, 1 part to clean the openings at the top of the blade under the cap. Clean motor base. Dry with a clean cloth. Cleaning requirements may vary from country and region. Please be sure to follow your local guidelines. Using the wrong chemicals can damage your machine. Please consult your chemical supplier for best practice. Maintenance. Sharpening the blade. Sharpen blades for best results. Brush stone against blade following edge. Only sharpening the top edge. Clean after sharpening. Attach safety and operating instructions chart to the wall near the machine. For more information, refer to your instruction manual.